Hi there, I'm just shooting a quick video just to share with you this quite nice and quick earning opportunity. Apart from investing in cryptocurrencies in traditional way on the exchange, I will like to show you one of the offers on the KuCoin exchange. It's the KuCoin Earn, and they just having an event that is starting just now on the 12th of January, and it's going to be finished on the 22nd. It's a KuCoin Earn event, and you can invest your money in the few of the opportunities. As you can see, for the new users, you got BTC 3% APR for 7 days, Sol 30%, and nice and neat 100% APR for new users. Also for VIP users, we got option here up to 500,000 USDT per user. And also, if you're interested in more, you can always click go more, visit KuCoin, and there's a lot of different options here. If there's something for you, then have a look and see if you can find something else for yourself. Going back to the event, after you register or log in, if you don't have a login, you can use, if you don't have an account, you can use my link. I always got 20% discount, a lifetime discount on every single fee you will pay on the exchange. So this is quite a nice thing to have on your day-to-day trades. Feel free to use my link and then go to this page. I will leave the link below this video, and you can choose one of these options here that are in the event. If you invest 500 USDT or more, then you will be qualified for some coupons. So not only quite neat investing opportunities, but you will also be in the second event. The second event is 100 USDT to be shared throughout all the people that will invest at least 500 USDT in one of the options below. So that's it. That's it for now. Just a quick video to show you this new opportunity. Go and check for yourself if you like this video. Subscribe my channel, please, if you like what I'm sharing with you. Leave me a comment if you got any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.